So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down what you need to do to grow your TikTok in 2021, what you need to post, how consistently you need to post, as well as how you can beat the algorithm so you can start growing your TikTok in 2021. I'm going to show you what I did to grow my TikTok and how you can do the same thing to go viral. So let's get it. So guys, I want to jump into the 3 tips that I use to help grow my personal TikTok that you can use. I wish I knew this earlier. I spent a lot of time trying to figure this out, posted over 1,000 videos, and finally, as you can see right here, we have a little over 110,000 followers right now, and we have a video that is going viral. As I can click onto my current inbox here, it just shows, look at all this that's continuing to grow, and I finally figured out the strategy how I can continue to post more viral videos to get a lot more followers and what you need to do to start growing your TikTok. So I remember when I first got into my TikTok journey, so many people were saying, why are you posting on TikTok? I remember when I had my first 1,000 followers, I thought it was a big deal, but I continued to stay at it. People continued to make fun of me and joke with me, but I knew that there was opportunity behind TikTok. Now, I was able to grow this TikTok without doing a single dance. And you might say, how is that possible? So we look up to so many creators on TikTok that are just looking successful. They're doing the renegade or the newest and hottest dances and trends. But the truth is, I didn't have to do one single dance to grow over 100,000 followers on my TikTok. So I'm gonna break down the strategies on how you can get started on TikTok if you're new to TikTok, if you're trying to grow your TikTok, or if you just want some clout or some followers. Here's what you need to do. I spent a lot of time every day posting as much as I can, and I feel like I finally broke the code and beat the algorithm, and I'm seeing amazing results. So let's get into it. Let me explain what you need to do to start growing that TikTok in 2021. Let's go. So the first tool to grow in 2021 is to post as much as you can. Now, I've looked into the algorithm, and as you can see over time, more people are continuing to post on TikTok. This means everyone is watching TikTok, which means TikTok might not post the video that you think is going well or going to go viral because they have so much content to get out there. So the only reason to beat this or to fight this concept of trying to get your video out there is to post as much possible. And for me, I post at least 3 times a day. Now, I know that might be a lot, but have ideas, be creative, and post what's authentic to you. Going out there and posting more is never going to hurt you. I remember people say, don't post so much, or don't have the fear of getting yourself out there. Well, that's actually not true, and you want to get yourself out there as much as possible. It's only going to help you. So posting 3 to 4 times a day is the #1 key to start growing your TikTok in 2021. The more is better. Secondly, with that concept is to engage with your audience. Your audience is there for you, so it's time for you to interact. Usually on TikTok, people just post and they don't respond to the comments, questions, or concerns. For me, I'm always generating new ideas off the people's comments, and I'm engaging with them, I'm thanking them, and I'm seeing that that is giving a great response to my personal TikTok. What that does is when people see that you're authentic, they're going to add other people to your TikTok, they're going to comment, bring other people to your page if they feel like you're responsive and if they feel like you're involved with them. So make sure you're engaging, go into the comments, be yourself, and post as much as possible. And lastly, post everything. Don't hold anything back. You are the creator. You are providing value for someone. So anything that comes to mind, there's never something bad to post. Get it all out there and post every day. Consistency is key to growing your TikTok in 2021. Secondly, you are unique and you are different from every other creator on the platform. So this means that your content has to be unique. Personally, my content is nothing like the dance videos. It's about business, entrepreneurship, finance. So I've used this strategy to continue to go viral, to get a lot of followers and to get a lot of views. It's because I am sharing my personal message. I'm trying to find my particular audience. But the truth is, we all try to cave into it. Some people that I run into say, in order to grow your followers or grow your TikTok is to do what the dances that everyone else is doing. Do what everyone else is doing. But honestly, this is something that the algorithm does not want you to know. And the truth is, they can only post so many of the same songs on the same feed, or they can't post the same dances all on the same feed, because imagine if you scrolled on TikTok and it was all the same content. How boring would that be? The truth is, TikTok wants you to see different things. They want to see unique creators. They want to see things that are elaborate, that provide some type of educational or value to you. So why are they going to post it all? So you have to be different. You have to kind of stand out and not be like everyone else. This is going to take a little bit of creativity, but honestly, just share your personal story, share who you are, connect with the audience, find some type of medium to relate with other people. Being the source of someone's ability to escape or to connect with you is the reason that they're going to follow you. Just because you're doing a dance, just because you're trying to be like someone else, else, you are lacking on the opportunity for being you. This is the biggest thing that I would say when it comes to posting on social media in general. Stick to who you are. People may criticize, people might say, why are you not doing what everyone else is doing? But that is a weakness. Stick to your strengths, stick to your message that you want to share, and people are going to be attracted to you. When you know what you preach, when you believe in what you're doing, or you understand this is what makes me happy, other people are going to relate to your message. You're going to be happy on camera. You're going to feel like you're posting good stuff on TikTok, and that's instantly going to attract a better audience for your TikTok, and you're going to see growth in 2021. Don't cave into other people's opinions. Be yourself. And lastly, don't make this mistake. People don't understand that in order for someone to follow you, that means you are providing them some type of value. And this means that everything that you post, everything that you do on social media or TikTok, if you want to see growth, provide some type of value. Post your content for the person on the other side of the camera. People want two things. It's either going to be educational or entertainment. Find your medium, find your ways to build your creative, to be a producer of content that fits in one of these niches. Now, anything can be creative, fun, entertainment, or educational. It's all about what you post. But before you post that video, ask yourself, is this going to help someone? Or is this going to be something that someone wants to watch? And the truth is, some of us are posting on TikTok for ourselves. We want to fill our own voids. We want to feel like, you know, this is cool. I feel egotistic, or I'm building my own brand, but I'm not really helping someone. And that's where you want to not make the mistake. Every time you post, think about the end user. Think about, how can you help them? Is there a way that I can increase or better their life? Everything that we do as consumers in America or wherever you are in this world is to have something that's going to help us in life, or have something else that's going to free us from our stress, or just liberate us in life. So why don't we suit our content to that niche? And that just comes with TikTok appreciating that. TikTok's algorithm will respond when you're providing value, when you're getting yourself out there, when you're providing tips, tricks, and exposing things that people need to hear. But if you're just posting the same old boring content, the selfish dance, or the thing that is not relatable to the audience, then it's never going to work out. So I want to end this video with a few simple tips that you can use to just simply grow your Instagram, or just some things that will help you hack the algorithm to get your followers up, to get your likes up, and to help you go viral. And the first tip that I want to express that goes with posting a lot is to post strategically. Go through your TikTok audience and see when are they most active. For me, my audience is most active between 7 to 11 p.m. And this is where I want to save my most viral video that I believe is going to do best, or the video that I put a lot of work into that I think will respond great with the audience. Save that for the later time. So once you post the video and people are starting to like it, people are starting to comment, people are starting to share it, and they're starting to tag their friends, this is a simple trick to get your videos viral. The more engagement, the more activity, it's going to boost the algorithm, put your video up there in the algorithm, and you're going to start growing your videos, which is going to lead to more followers and more content of yours being seen. Secondly, utilize duets. So many people are missing out. There's some TikTokers that are only doing duets, and I think this is an opportunity for you. A great way to make content is to duet, provide value, or just realize or appreciate someone else's videos. But the thing is, sometimes we just want to produce our own videos, but duets are a simple and easy way for you to start growing your TikTok. And then lastly, the third tip of the day is to comment or post videos responding to people's comments. I think this is one of the most authentic ways to be yourself, to help someone directly, and this is a great way to give that attraction to your audience and basically answer what they want to have answered. The questions are there, the content is in the comments, so pull it out of the comments, post videos of it, and provide value or education in some type of way, and people are going to respond, and you are going to grow your TikTok in 2021. So guys, if you made it this far and you have not yet, like, comment, and even subscribe to this video, it would mean a lot. And if you have not even checked out my TikTok, I will link it in the bio below. But we guys have videos coming out this week. Answer or ask me any questions that you have. I am here for you. I'm here to help. And if there's anything that I can do, let me know. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing week. I'll see you probably tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Peace out.